This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
She had those alcohol. What the? It's like, what are you doing? It was hot. You know, she's like, oh, it's got vodka in it. I was like, oh, really? She's like, oh, yeah, I've had 3.
Dude, what the?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I mean, there, I had to turn my eye like this. Okay, this is too much for me. 6-4-2-1 Rock. Steve, who is our first contestant, ready to play the big game. Hello, Kim. Welcome to the men's room. Hey, Johnny!
Flip out on them. Dude, this is a $150,000 car.
Bro, did you just hit my car?
Did he?
I'm going to speed limit, buddy.
This is a $150,000 car. I wonder what you should do.
Not your best. Clearly mini material. Harvestella, delightfully mini. Sometimes you see a game and you're like, oh no, they spent too much money on this. There's no way this makes its money back. That they went over budget on this. And then also sometimes you can clearly see they didn't give it enough. Oh, their ambitions were too high for the time and money they were given for this. Harvestella is Baby Bear's porridge. Square Enix seemingly spent the perfect amount of budget on this farming, crafting RPG. And I hope you at home now have an understanding of what mini entails.
file level is like 1,000 something now. What? That's like the reading. Oh my god, oh my god.
What?
That truck is like driving like a crazy person.
Take the next left onto Post Creek Road.
Hello.
Hey, are you ready to start?
I am. This time I'll do better. I can't believe my eyes.
Concentrate on the road, please.
But my favorite store is having a sale. Ah!
Wait. Oh no, we're doomed.
Give me a second.
You can't just leave the car.
Oops, I can't?
I don't get paid enough. Never will you ever get a driver's license. Huh?
Uh-oh. I'd better hide inside.
So right to call. Didn't I tell you?
More widely known than her opponent in the special election was, and she's going to have more voters taking a stance on who they want to see in Congress.
What's
moment where she's making this big splash in Washington, but it's not super clear how long it
Are you kidding me?
Then tell me, how should we view this? Is it the flash in the...
We're not going to have one ready for today, or what?
No, I've been gone and I'm trying to get all my stuff together. I've not even had a chance to even touch a car.
Well, the ones I gave you, oh no, those didn't get lost on Saturday. Okay, so she gets a 30-minute lunch, I believe, is all they get.
Barb, I gotta call you back. I was just in a car accident. I gotta call the cops.
Those things are kind of true about me.
Call 911.
What are you doing?
At the light, use the left two lanes to turn onto Vine Street. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna order it. So now I tried the. Oh no! I was like, oh god, dude. Oh! Idiot! I'm so glad.
That his guy got ousted. Ukraine decided to look west for their economic future instead of east towards Russian enslavement. Doesn't give him the right to move into that country and steal property like they did in Crimea. Violent separatist movements in the east just to keep the country in a state of perpetual conflict so that they could never resolve their security disputes, so that they could never have a path forward towards NATO.
Progressive Commercial Insurance protects small businesses from retailers to tradesmen. Progressive covers a variety of businesses with a range of coverages. More at progressivecommercial.com.
Support comes from Sky Nursery, filled with flowers and vegetables.
Sky Nurse.
Doesn't name that. I want to go park. Please don't hit my car. Oh my god.
Oh, god damn.
Hey, they're in the car. At least we don't have to do anything about it.
Yeah.
Hey, they're not going
Somewhere.
You should probably back the up and repark the car.
He's leaving.
It's fucking scary.
I don't know how to get away with it. I really don't.
No. What?
Oh, there's no place. There's no place.
What the